So here guys, I have my hoverboard. Let's open it up, and that's the charger. Here we have it, it's all bagged up, ready to go. Let's open this and get this little baby out. Right, and here it is, black. Looks pretty cool. Actually, I'm surprised by the weight of these things. It's pretty heavy, this. Let me just get it out. Hey. Right, so I'll charge this up and then I'm going to take it outside to test it. Okay guys, so I've had this thing on charge all night. I'm going to go out now and give it a test. What the hell? Jesus Christ. Well, no wonder you're not allowed them on flights. Jesus Christ. If you can see that, I think it's still on fire in there. It's smouldering. Basically this is brand new. I've just charged it last night. I could smell melting and went to try it out, and that happened. Whoa.